This is the Geneva Mechanism Calculator for indexing applications, which calculates the timing and angular parameters for Geneva wheel mechanisms. The calculator has 3 input fields. First is number of slots, where you enter the number of slots on your Geneva wheel, with values ranging from 3 to 12. Next is driver RPM, where you enter the rotational speed of your driver wheel in revolutions per minute. Finally, there's pin radius in millimeters, which is the radius of the driving pin on your mechanism. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for the number of slots, 10 for the driver RPM, and 10 millimeters for the pin radius. After clicking Calculate Geneva Mechanism, we get our results. The index angle is 36 degrees, which tells us how much the Geneva wheel rotates during each indexing movement. The dwell time is 4.5 seconds, showing how long the wheel remains stationary between movements. The index time is 1.5 seconds, indicating how long each rotation takes. These timing values are critical for synchronizing your Geneva mechanism with other equipment in your automation system. Find the link in the description below.